Hi, welcome to CK Profit Tutorials. Today let's learn how to sign in to CK Profit software and the environment in the main form. So double click on CK Profit icon appearing on the desktop. Okay, the current version is 14.6. There will be updation available. So the list of users will appear in the combo box. So only admin is there now. So let me press on admin, and password, there is no password now. If you have forgotten the password, press on password hint. Password hint is no password, which means there is no password. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, this form you're saying is the list of all the items in the stock. Suppose you want to search for a particular item, let's say Samsung G313. So just put a content of Samsung 313, that G313. So let me put G313. So it is showing Samsung G313. So in stock is two numbers: purchase rate, sales rate, and what percent and discount percent are the attributes of that item. And if you want to see the sub items, if suppose there are sub items for Samsung G313, can click on view button for sub items, and there are no items available, no sub items. Okay, and if suppose you want to search the item in range of stock, let's say 1 2 3. So items ranging from 1 to 3 in stock will be shown after you press enter. So all the items here are ranging from 1, 2 or 3. So you can see what are the items ranging from 1 to 3. So when you press on refresh, the list will be refreshed with all the items. Here in file, you can go to restore bin. If you have deleted any invoice, purchase entry, sales return entry or purchase return entry, will be available in restore bin. Here it is. Okay, and remove profit license. If suppose you want to remove the license of this system and go to other system. Backing up the database and recovering the database. Backing up the database, click here and give the location. Okay, suppose desktop, and press OK. So the backup will be taken there. See, here is the backup of CK Profit and the date. If suppose you want to recover that database, recover database, go to the location of the database. Here it is, here, and press this final data folder and press OK. Record successfully, reopen CK Profit. So this is how CK Profit is reloaded, recovered, and backup is taken. Okay. Yes, that's it for today. Thank you.